tell the Borla exhaust is very tame and gives it just a really light rumble, but it is not obnoxious and could almost pass as stock. Okay, let's do a condition report. The front bumper has PPF, paint protection film, on it, so that is protected. Now it does have some imperfections. Starting with this front right lower section, you do have a gash in the PPF, and it looks like it may have got the paint. That's really hard to tell. And then you have some gashes right here in that film. Looking right here on the film, we have a little scuff that did not go through to the paint. Got a couple scuffs here, little rock impact. And so you're gonna have a few other rock impacts, but I'm not quite sure if they went through to the paint. That is really, really hard to tell. Now here on this lower section, we have a little bit of curb rash on that very edge. But then when you make your way around here, the rest of this all looks really good. I don't see any other rash. That fender looks amazing. Wheels are perfect. There's no curb rash on them. That A-pillar looks good. That mirror is super, super clean. On that door edge, I feel a tiny graze mark right there on the very edge, but I don't see a chip on it. Got a rock chip here and there that has been touched up, a little one there, and a couple rock impacts. Quarter panel looks good. That wheel looks amazing. That top looks awesome. I mean, this thing is super, super clean. Looking at the hood, that graphic looks good. Couple like surface scuffs from just washing the car, but nothing that can't polish out probably. I don't see anything deep. That wheel looks amazing. The fender is super, super clean. That door looks good. We do have PPF on the side mirrors, and there's a little snag on the PPF there. It might have chipped the paint on the very edge. It's really, really hard to tell. The rest of that looks good. That pillar's clean. Door looks good. Got a little chip right there on the edge and one right here. The rest of that looks good. You have PPF here on this edge protecting it. You're gonna have some rock impacts here. Maybe a chip right there. Otherwise, that is really clean. That wheel's perfect. Like I said, the top looks amazing and it works really good. Quarter panel looks good. The upper deck lid is clean. I don't see anything that stands out as far as imperfections go. The only modification on this car is Borla exhaust. Everything else is stock. That back bumper looks good. And this is very, very clean. The interior on this thing is mint and it smells brand new in here. That door panel looks perfect. This kick plate area is super clean. Looking at that bolster, that looks good. You have a few wrinkles right there from getting in and out, and a little wrinkle here. The rest of that seat looks good. They have that nice matte finish to them still. Steering wheel looks good. The shifter's still nice and matte. Looking at this side, that door panel looks perfect. Kick plate area is super clean. That bolster looks really nice. A little bit of wrinkling right there. Very, very clean. This side of the car is perfect.